Hey everybody, Jason with Course Motorsports here. Today we're sitting in a 2015 BMW X5. We're going to be doing an installation of a Course Motorsports direct fit phone mount. To do the installation, you could use some trim tools. Most of it you can just pull off with your hands, and we'll need a Torx bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is to remove the gauge surround. It's held in with several clips. It's kind of like popped straight in. It's pretty tight, but this particular car, it's also slippery from being cleaned a lot. So basically what you're going to try to do is grab onto it and pull straight out. Try not to punch your finger. Just like that. It'll come out, and we'll pop it up here, and we'll set it aside, like so. Then you're going to take your hands or your trim tool, and you want to grab around the start-stop switch here, and we're going to pull straight out. And what we're going to be doing is removing this whole piece of trim with the HVAC vents in it. And you just kind of work your way towards the passenger, and that'll pop right out of the way like that. And you can leave everything plugged in. I'm just gonna let it hang like so. And that's gonna reveal this Torx screw right here. We're gonna take that off. Next, you're gonna take your bracket out of the bag. Looks just like this. You're gonna remove the Torx T20, and we're gonna put it on this one on the right side. It will also work on the left one. It's just a little bit too close to the steering wheel. You'll take it out, you'll drop it through the hole in the direct fit bracket, and then just do the reverse. Like that. And then we will pick up our trim, and you want to make sure that the passenger side kind of goes under here where it's supposed to go in, and also make sure that you're not pinching any of your wires. Make sure all your clips are lined up nicely. Push it back into place. There it goes. Okay, so once you have that part in, you're going to take your gauge surround, and we'll bring that back down here. And you want to make sure that everything pops into place. So you want to line up all your clips, including the ones on the bottom here. You got the ones on the side, and then you just push it in. Like that. And that's all there is to that part. You're going to take your head option, open that up. Inside you're going to find an alcohol pad. You would use this to clean off the back of your phone to adhere the sticky back steel ring if you don't have a MagSafe iPhone. Course sticker has a QR code on the back that takes you to our website. A MagSafe magnetic head, a textured black aluminum ball, and an Allen wrench. The first thing we're going to do is take the ball and the Allen wrench out. And we're going to thread the ball onto the press fit stud. And then you'll take the Allen wrench, put it in the end, and just give it a snug to make sure that everything stays tight. And we'll take the MagSafe head out. We're going to take the locking collar off, and we'll drop it off over the top of the ball. Pop this on, and then you tighten your locking collar down. This is where you can adjust it to make sure that it's like in your view. And then lastly, this is where you would clean off the back of your phone and adhere the steel ring, but this happens to be a MagSafe phone with a MagSafe case, so you simply just stick it on there. And that's all there is to it.